This 2026 Dutchmen Astoria 3553 MBP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 40 feet 8 inches in length and features a SHALE interior, sleeps 9, LP detector, smoke detector, stovetop burner, oven, slide-out, water heater, external shower, microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Dutchmen Astoria 3553 MBP is 11,980 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.